back to my channel. As you guys can see from the title above, today I am doing a PR unboxing, and I just want to say hello, welcome back to everyone that is still on my channel and following. Honestly, I know I've been away for a whole month. I was figuring out some stuff, I was working on some projects, but I am officially back, and honestly I am gonna try to stay as consistent as I can, and I'm just excited to be back, so let's get right back into it. Okay, so I'm gonna open up some of my PR boxes that I got. If you guys don't know what PR is, it stands for public relations, but basically what it means is that companies are sending me products and they want me to either review it or they want me to post it on my social media, and so they just sent me a whole bunch of stuff. I have some stuff from October and some that actually just arrived literally like a day ago or 2 days ago in November. So mostly October and a little bit of November, since we're literally in the beginning stages of November. So I'm so excited to show you guys some of the things I got. I'm very thankful for everything that I've gotten so far. Literally, it's been really amazing just seeing my channel grow, my Instagram grow. I think a lot of these companies have recognized me from Instagram. So if you guys aren't following me on Instagram, make sure you follow me under Deekaaybright on Instagram. Okay, so let's get right into it. So the first package that I'm going to start with is this one right here. So from L'Oreal Canada. It says L'Oreal Paris because obviously it's sent from there, but L'Oreal Canada got in touch with me. And what I got from here is they have this new product that they actually sent it to me around the launching time so that I can try it out and then write a review about it. So these are, it's called Colorista Hair Makeup. So it looks like that. I don't know if you guys can see it properly or not, but yeah, it looks like that. So basically what it is that, you know, like you can dye your hair. It's not really hair dye, but it's hair makeup. So it allows you to not permanently dye your hair a certain color. So it allows you to try it. Like maybe you want to have like a little bit of like red highlights for the night. You could do that and you wash it off and it easily comes off. So another very cool package that I received is from Duval. But yeah, so this is a radiant spin care system, and it's really cool because I've always wanted to try this. I think I had this like back in the day, I don't remember, but I remember having one, but it wasn't good quality, and then not from the same company, by the way. It wasn't good quality and it just broke and I gave up on it. But yeah, so they sent me this so I can try it out. It comes with a facial exfoliation brush, large body cleansing brush, a facial cleansing brush, and a stone for like the foot. It's the foot one, like for cleaning your foot and stuff. Alright, so I'm gonna go through this. So basically this one is very interesting because I was actually invited to an event from this company right here. Honestly, I cannot pronounce it. It's German, or I'm not sure, but like you guys know it. I'm gonna write it at the bottom. Obviously you guys will know how to pronounce it. So they invited me to the event. The event was like a lot of fun. It was like just amazing. It was a good time. And so obviously this is the goodie bag that we got from the event. We got a lot of good stuff. So this is a shampoo and it's for normal to dry hair. Looks like that. Yeah, that's from there. I'm gonna go through this one right here. Another company called Kerasatsi. Oh my god, if I'm saying it wrong, just like correct me or whatever. Yeah, I'm just gonna go through some of the stuff that are in here. Okay, so again, French. So it looks also for dry hair, and it's really cute. Honestly, they smell like so good. This one here, so it's a hair mask. Looks like that. A mini version of the shampoo. This one is an oil mist. It's just like a cute little oil mist. And they gave us a paddle brush, which I haven't used yet. Obviously, as you can see, it is still in its package. Okay, so I'm going to talk to you guys about this next one right here. This is a very cool company. So it is called It's also for Paris. I've been really lucky to be getting like some stuff from all over the world, but this was really dear to my heart because I was in Paris in 2016, so it's just cool to just even be recognized by French companies. It's really, really cool. So her name is SYLVAINE DELACOURTE. Sorry if I butchered that. Like, I know I'm not really that good. Like, I speak French, but at this point it doesn't look like it, but I do. So it's really cool. Her company is perfumes and scented candles, scents and stuff like that. And it's really cool because what she did was she approached me and then she said that she's gonna send me kind of like samples of different perfumes that she has in her company. And the really, really cool thing about it, this was the first package that I got from her, and it just came like with the collections, the different collections for each, like that. There's the la collection Vanille et la collection Musk. I don't know if I'm saying that correctly, but basically it came with like samples like this, and there's 5 different samples in each, and basically I got to smell of them, which all smelled like amazing. It was so hard. So from these 10 I had to choose one that I liked so she can send me the full bottle. It was really hard to choose, but I ended up going with Dovana. That's the one I ended up choosing. So what I did was I messaged her and I let her know which one I wanted, and they like smell amazing. So it was literally so hard. I had to get like an opinion from my sister and my mom because I wasn't sure which one to choose, but I ended up choosing that. So I let her know, and then what she did was she sent me this beautiful and this literally like gorgeous packaging. I was so impressed by this. Literally all this is already opened, but yeah, so she sent me the full bottle, and this is just how it looks like, the packaging. And it's Dovana, that's the one that I wanted, and it's so beautiful, guys. Literally, it's literally like metal. Like, I don't even know what material this is, but you can just see it's like high quality from Paris. You know, in Paris they do it big. Yeah, so like it looks like that. This is the name, SYLVAINE DELACOURTE. It just looks like that. Okay. Yeah, so when you open it, it kind of just has like a picture of yeah, like the Dovana, I guess. And then inside is just gorgeous. I don't know if you guys can see that, but honestly it is beautiful. I love the packaging of it, and it smells amazing. Looks like that if you guys want a closer look. Okay, it's just so pretty. Like, I love the packaging. It smells amazing. Like, it smells so good. I will leave the information below so that you guys can go on her website and really just see the product itself and the different scents that she has. But I would definitely recommend the Dovana scent. It's very like, it's not too strong, it's very feminine. All her scents are feminine, but this one just really stood out to me. And like, just the experience of choosing which one that you want to smell, it was just so good. And she's just so sweet, such a sweet lady. And the cool thing about it too is she didn't just send me the perfume that I wanted, but she also sent me a scented candle. But yeah, like, look at that packaging. Like, literally so beautiful. I already got my makeup on it, of course. But let me just show you guys how this candle looks like. It's like literally such high quality. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it is so gorgeous. Like, it's like the prettiest candle ever. Like, I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but yeah. So this one is the summer candle, and again she has her logo on there and everything. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, so for my friends at Oro Gold, like, this is so amazing because they were able to send me some free products. I actually picked it up. It was so awesome. They're just such a great company. So basically, I was able to get 3. If you guys know Oro Gold, you know they're very expensive. So I'm very thankful to just get these products. One is missing from the box because I'm using it. I use a lot of their products, and so they send me So this one is a little bit different because I've originally in the past bought one of their products, and from there they got in contact with me and were able to send me free stuff because they already know that I've already bought stuff from their company as well. So this one is actually the 24K Mousse Cleanser, and this one is empty inside because it is currently being used and it's in my bathroom, and I didn't want to like take it out and then bring it out here. This one is the 24K Purifying Toner. I actually have one, but I didn't open this one because the one I have is still being used. And it just looks like that. They have really beautiful packaging. And yeah, so it looks like that. And that's the Purifying Toner. The thing that they sent me is the 24K Multivitamin Deep Peeling. Okay, so I'm gonna go a little bit faster. I'm not gonna show you the other side because it has my address on it. But this company is called Hand MD Transformative Skincare. And so the cool thing about them is that they have products for your hands. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Okay, and basically it's really good. Honestly, it's for the hands, and it's just to make your hands a little bit smoother. This one is called the Daily Dual Repair, and it has a whole bunch of stuff inside. It's restorative hand care, and it's really great. So this one right here is from Flat Tummy Tea. You guys have probably seen Flat Tummy Tea all over the internet, literally. So the other one I already opened. Let me see. Yeah, so the other one I already opened up. Okay. So this is how it looks like. Okay, last but not least, I have a very interesting one. So this one right here is like awesome. It makes me so happy to receive this because I feel like I've just been working really hard on my Instagram, especially. I know my YouTube I've been slacking a little bit. I'm trying to get back on it, and just to receiving this package right here made my, it really made me so happy. So this is from Yves Saint Laurent. I don't know, I really want you guys to see it. And I received this as part of the YSL beauty members, and I'm just so glad to even be like recognized in that group, and like it's just been really great, a really cool dream come true. So yeah, so they messaged me and told me they would be sending me these mascaras. So these are actually mascaras, and if you know me, you know that I love mascara and I do not leave the house without any. I'm wearing some right now. Yeah, so these are the mascaras. So basically one is a flash primer, and then the other one is the mascara, which they call the curler. It's supposed to look like this. So it's supposed to curl your lashes a little bit more, making it a little bit more like, you know, giving it a little bit more volume and definition, and giving it a little bit more length. So I'm really excited to try these. Like, I'm so thankful to even just be receiving this, because honestly I would never really buy this in the store just because it's super expensive. It's like, I think it goes for like $50 each, not too sure, but obviously it's YSL, it's a high luxury brand. So I'm just really lucky and thankful to be receiving this from YSL. Okay, so that is all the stuff that I've received for the month of October and a little bit of the beginning of November, and I just want to say I'm very thankful to all these companies that send me all these amazing things, and it's really nice and awesome, and I feel very thankful. And I'm very thankful for you guys as well. And I know I've been neglecting YouTube, but honestly I am back on YouTube, and you guys will see more consistent videos from me. I am going to be bringing in a lot of different type of videos. I think I'm just gonna, because I've always felt that like I just try to focus on one niche, one thing to put up on YouTube, but I think I'm just gonna become a little bit more comfortable with it and just post whatever I feel like posting, and hopefully you guys like that. But yeah, so I'm so thankful for you guys. Thank you so much, HII Squad, for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!